Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and consultants to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise through e-learning and also creating automation through funnels and things that help you to get your hands off the keyboard so that you can do what you enjoy. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I have an amazing free workshop for you. It's called How to Create Absolutely Beautiful Graphic Designs for Your Online Course Without Having to Hire an expensive graphic designer or spend countless hours doing it. So I want to walk you through exactly how you can create designs in minutes, whether it's worksheets, webinar slides, or things along those lines that you might need for your online course or coaching business. I want you to be able to quickly be able to make those so that you're not spending all day doing it. Okay. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of our upcoming videos. Okay, so today we're gonna talk all about how you can create graphics for your blog. Blogs are really great ways for you to be able to share more about your expertise and be able to do it in a written or video form and share it with your audience for free. Now, it's also a great way to lead people to your online courses or your coaching program, whether it's through lead magnets or inviting them to workshops or just inviting them straight to your program. It's a great way for you to be able to share something for free and then invite them to that next step down that funnel. So if you are looking to invite people to your course or your coaching program, well, you want to make sure that your graphics look on point within your actual blog. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can utilize Canva to create graphics for your blog, no matter what platform you're utilizing. I'll be utilizing Kajabi, where I'll be showing you some of the things that I need in order to dress my blog up, but ultimately whatever blog you're utilizing, whatever platform, you can do the same exact thing. So let's go ahead and go behind the scenes and create some amazing graphics for your blog. Okay, now let's go ahead and design your blog graphics. So when I'm utilizing Kajabi for my blog, some of the things that I like to include are basically a thumbnail. So a thumbnail here, and then also a thumbnail for my cover. And that allows me to utilize that on YouTube and also on my actual blog. Now, you can also have something called a banner on your blog, and you can have opt-in opportunities. There's so many great things that you can do. Now, what I usually do is I jump into our program called Course Creator Pro Club. It's a Canva template membership where you are able to access thousands and thousands of actual templates designed specifically for course creators. My team and I have taken time to identify what is needed and built out a way for you to easily access our designs and be able to update them to your brand without having to spend hours or spend countless time or hiring expensive graphic designers. So you can just hop in here and download what you need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by going to our blogger kit, and there's just some options of things that I can get started with. If I wanted to use blog banners, if I wanted to use blog thumbnails, like what I just showed you, or even promote my blog on Instagram or things like that, or even use like a blog planner to help me plan this out, I can come and select some of these options that I have within my program. Now, if you're going to be utilizing Canva and just getting started with the templates that they have, what you can do is go to where it says create a design. And then what you're going to want to do is, currently right now it just says search, but if I type in blog, then what will take place is I can create a blog banner, a blog graphic, and even a blog website. So let's go ahead and get started with a blog banner. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And here's some options that you can get started with. So maybe this is going to be your title. Maybe you like something like this. Maybe this is your style and you have a big title along the lines of that. Or maybe you like more of this style. Whatever works best for you. I want you to start thinking about what you want your blog images to look like. So we usually keep them pretty consistent in my business. They look along the lines of this. You can even go to my blog and see a lot of our overall images all have some sort of correlation, and they look like they all go in alignment with each other. So I want you to select what type of blog cover you like, and then you can start to utilize that cover over and over and maybe just make some small adjustments and changes with different images or text and things like that. So let's just say you want to get started with this one. What I would do first is let's change the image. Maybe you are going to use a specific image, and I'm just going to grab this one. I grab one of my YouTube photos, boom, we'll grab that. And we can change this text and make it say read more. So that's an option. If we were to change this text, we would hover over the text and we would highlight the text, and then we would go to where it says change the overall font. Then I can change the text and select whichever text works best for me. Whatever the highlighted text is, I can change it over here. So let's just change it to something else. There you go. And let's say I also want to change the color. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to change this background. So instead of it being kind of this color, we're going to change it to a lighter pink. And let's say I want to change that to a different color. Let's make it black. I think it was already black. Okay, so, and let's change this background. So currently right now, the text, I'm going to change that towards black and easy. And then you have some gold elements. I can't change the color of these elements, unfortunately, but what I can do is I can go and find elements that I would like to add on. So let's go to elements. Gold is actually our element color, but I'm gonna grab just something else so I can be able to show you. So I'm gonna grab some floral elements because maybe that's what your brand has. So let's remove these and let's plug in some floral. You can see I added in some elements that look more in alignment with my own. So what you'll do is you'll go to elements, you'll type in what elements you use, or you can upload your own elements that you utilize, and then you can drag and drop them into the areas of where you want them to go. So you can move them around, you can change it up in terms of location, all that good stuff, and make it look more customized. So there you have it. This is going to be your cover, your banner, your graphic. It's going to be something like what I would include on my cover of my blog. And basically you can choose from either Canva, which has a ton of options you can choose from. So you can kind of just see here some of the options, or you can utilize some of the different templates that we use within Course Creator Pro. We have some options that you can choose from that are specifically made for course creators. Okay, Corporate Misfits, so there you have it. You can easily start creating your graphics for your blog. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Make sure that you like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Also, make sure you leave a comment letting me know how you utilize Canva in your business. And also don't forget to check out our free workshop, how to create beautiful graphic designs for your online course business without having to spend a fortune or countless hours trying to come up with your design. You can find that below. Okay, I'll see you next time.